This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug, nakasisiguro gamot ay laging bago.
Good morning to my good-looking partner, Bong Cassis.
And good morning to all of you, and good morning to you, Cecil. You look especially radiant today.
Oh, Doc Bong. Today, we have a very special topic and very interesting one because it is something that everybody experiences once in their life, and this is acne.
And you know what? I can still remember my experiences about acne, but this was way back when I was still a teenager or in my early adolescent stage.
Now, who would think that you have had acne once in your life because you have a very flawless skin at this time?
You know what? You really outgrow this stage, and I'm sure you people will also outgrow it and without any problems with it, as long as you have the proper care and treatment.
Yes, Doc Bong, because everybody, once in their life, will surely experience acne. So let's not keep our audience waiting and let's start the ball rolling. This is Generation RX, your health and travel show on TV, now signing in.
Acne is a common disorder of our pilosebaceous units. No? It usually affects 85% of our younger population. Yung acne, it causes kasi, yun nga, since nagkakaroon tayo ng mga tinatawag na mga butlig na acne, comedones, papules, pustules, nodules, tsaka scars, no? So, yung main na parang complication o effect nun, yun nga, namumula yung skin, nagkakaroon tayo ng pekas, tsaka yung pinakaayaw natin sa lahat, yung nagkakaroon tayo ng acne scar. So, actually, merong, siguro mga 3 skin conditions, no? Like, for example, yung folliculitis na tinatawag, no? Itong folliculitis, nagkakaroon tayo niyan pagka nababarahan nga ng bacteria yung daanan ng buhok, no? So, yan parang itsura rin niya, yung parang dilaw-dilaw na parang yung tinatawag natin na whiteheads, no? Pero yun nga, wala siya yung main component ng acne, which is the comedones. Tapos, meron yung acne-like conditions like what we call steroid acne kasi sa pag-inom natin ng steroids, and then drug-induced acne dahil siguro sa contraceptive pills or other medications.
The most important role of immune system is its defensive role in human body. It has the role of eliminating and destroying harmful organisms, even malignant growths, like cancer, wherever it detects them in the human system. Kaya naman ang poor immune system ay sadyang nakababahala. Having the right vitamin will help a lot to hinder any kind of sickness or diseases that may hit us. Vitamin C, like calcium C, is very beneficial and appropriate to strengthen immune system. Calcium C not only builds up immune system, it also keeps our gums, bones, and teeth healthy. It helps ease mental stress, prevents cancer, diabetes, and aids in absorption of vitamin C. Taking large doses of vitamin C creates collagen in our tissues, preventing cancer cells.
Good morning. Welcome to Boracay, to the Philippines. Yeah, what's your name, sir? Yeah, I'm Cecil from Generation RX. Sir, this is calcium C multivitamins for adult, and it's very healthy for you. This is for you. You can try it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Calcium C is very good for your health, your bone and your skin, and I use it for a long time and it's very good and I can recommend it.
Calcium C, very healthy, the best para sa akin, try nyo rin.
Calcium C, it's good for me, it's good for my bones, try it.
Unlike most animals, we humans cannot produce our own vitamin C. That is why it is important to us to take sufficient amounts of vitamin C, particularly calcium C. Mag-megadose ng calcium C para laging disease-free. Adventure, thrill, fun, excitement. Feel the ultimate island experience. Discover Jed's Island Resort, only in Kalumpit, Bulacan. Jed's Island Resort.
Memory loss, signs of aging, weak immune system. Sa bilis ng panahon, hindi mo namamalayang naaabuso na ang iyong katawan. Buti na lang may Circulant 4-in-1 with 4 herbs na tumutulong para sa overall good blood circulation. Ginkgo biloba that aids in enhancing memory and concentration. Lemon balm that helps normalize sleeping patterns. Garlic oil that helps strengthen the immune system. And hawthorn berry that helps promote youthful glow. Circulant helps you look and feel young. Circulant.
Ang cute niya. Ay, kulang.
And now, contestant number 9. Why did you win this contest?
Ay, kulang.
Ano pa ba ang kulang?
Kulang sa tangkad at talino? Mag Hi-Smart Multivitamins. Punong-puno ang Hi-Smart with essential vitamins and the right amount of taurine, lysine, and zinc that can help your child grow taller and smarter.
Hi-Smart, pangpuno ng kulang.
Robust enhances male potency. May 4 na ancient herbs na nagpapataas ng libido ng mga lalaki.
Aste.
Available in Mercury Drug and all leading drugstores nationwide.
Isa sa mga maraming dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng acne ay ang maruming kapaligiran. Babae man o lalaki ay hindi ligtas dito. Not to be dismayed though, dahil there are a lot of effective treatments na pwede nang subukan.
Acne is more prominent sa females na pagka mga between 10 to 17 years old, tapos sa males naman between 14 to 19 years old. But pwede din naman siyang first time mangyari sa mga 25-year-old and older. Well, actually, parehong prone to acne ang men and women, but mas severe or mas malala siya sa males. Meron pa rin mga nagkakaroon ng acne, no, kahit mga 40 na sila or even 50 years old. So, sa acne, like kasi sinabi ko yung 3 main causes, no? So, kailangan matatarget natin yon. So, meron dyan yung para ma-prevent yung comedonal plugging, ma-treat yung sa hormones, and ma-treat din yung bacteria. So, meron yan, pwede tayong topical treatment lang. So, yung topical treatment, kailangan ma-address yung sa plug, kailangan matanggal yon, no? So, may mga pinapahid tayo, like mga glycolic acid, salicylic, beta-hydroxy, mga tretinoin, no? And then, minsan pagka sobrang dami ng bacteria, pwede rin mag-oral antibiotics, no? Meron din oral na gamot para mabawasan yung pag-produce ng oil ng acne. So, depende kung anong klaseng acne meron ng isang pasyente.
Mahalagang malaman natin ang mga do's and don'ts upang maiwasan ang paglala ng inyong acne. Bear in mind not to try any skin regimen unless prescribed by your doctor.
Okay, so sa pag-cure na acne, yun nga, katulad na na-mention ko, kailangan magpapahid tayo ng gamot na matatarget yung 3 main causes of acne, no? Katulad ng mga ibang na-mention ko na products, like yung mga merong glycolic acid, salicylic, beta-hydroxy, tretinoin. So, kailangan, importante kasi para ma-cure yun, we have to be patient and consistent sa pag-apply ng gamot or sa pag-inom ng gamot. And also to prevent having acne, we have to maintain applying the medication. Kasi acne is something na we should control eh. Hindi kasi siya yung pag na-treat mo na, hindi na siya forever babalik. So, kailangan yung maintenance sa pagpahid, kailangan consistent. Siguro yung pinaka-basic dyan is washing the face para nga hindi mag-clog yung pores natin, no? Hindi mag-accumulate yung sebum or yung oil. But we have to do this very gently lang, no? With a mild cleanser. Siguro at least yun man lang, no? And then, the doctor usually prescribes, yun nga, topical medications. But this one, kasi depende nga sa bawat pasyente kung anong type ng acne meron ka. At least yung basic man lang, makapaghilamos ka at least twice or maximum of 3 times in a day. And then, siguro, yun nga, mag-apply din ng sunscreen. Kasi nga, because of the after effects like yung pigmentation or nagkakaroon ng yung sensitivity sa sunlight pag nag-a-apply ng gamot. So, depende sa pasyente kung nung pinapahid at ipapagamit ng doktor. Ang pag-prick ng pimple, no, so it does damage to our skin. Kasi, kumbaga, pag pinrick mo na, yung sinabi ko kanina, nag-accumulate yung oil, tapos nagpa-plug din yung konting skin, plus yung bacteria. Pag pinrick mo yon na, kumbaga, nag-rupture siya dun sa balat eh. Kaya yung balat natin, nagkakaroon ng inflammation, namamaga, and then, nagkaka-acne scars. So, yun yung pinaka-effect ng pag-prick sa skin.
There are lots of slimming products in the market today. These all aim to entice people to believe that slimming is easy and possible.